Right, these are the instructions for putting together the little dining table for the Christmas tree decoration rabbits. So there are 5 chairs on the table. I've put all the chairs into separate bags. They're roughly the same, but that way I knew all the pieces would line up, the little slots that join the things together, because I thought they might be slightly different, but I've actually put all the chairs together. So we take the base part of the chair, and then there's a cross piece which fits into slots on the legs to hold the legs in position. And then there is another piece which is basically the support for the back, which slips onto that cross piece. It goes underneath the seat of the chair, and then there's an angled piece that holds the back of the chair in position. This is so the rabbit can sit on it. That's how we put the chair together. And then you do the others the same. It's 5 altogether. Then with the table, the legs are fixed on already onto the bottom, but there's a piece of plastic to cross brace it. And then once you put that together, you can put the chairs in position and sit the rabbits on. So some of the rabbits have bendy legs. Some of them don't, like this pink one with a pink scarf. He's quite stiff, so I cut a hole in the chair so that he can sort of stand in the middle of the chair. It looks like he's sitting at the table when you put the chair back. I wasn't sure with the others, but some of the others might be like that, so you might need to just cut a hole with a craft knife or something in the chair, make a little flap. Christmas hats are available for all, Christmas crackers, Christmas plates. That's it. Happy Christmas.